Good morning, everybody. It is currently 7 in the morning right now, and I'm going to a beach cleanup, which is hosted by Kuching Beach Cleaners. So let's go!
Just to let you know how the flow is. So after this briefing, we're going to start with the beach clean and a debrief. And after that, as mentioned by Chester, we will have light refreshment.
We're given a glove and also a plastic to pick up all the trash. So I'll show you all the trash later. Look at this. You won't even know this is plastic, man. It's blending. They're blending so well. You won't even notice it's plastic. Look at the amount of my sweat. Oh my god. I have something to show you. Imagine this is being broken up into like small pieces like this. It's impossible to find them, and they will go in, the fish will consume them in the sea, and we're actually eating this in our body if it's not taken care of.
By knowing these facts, I hope that it can change your ways in how you consume as well. Okay, I guess that's all from us. Yeah.
So it's been a total of 4 hours trip, including transportation and cleanup and everything. And special thanks to Sarawak Eco Warriors and also Kuching Beach Cleaners for organizing these great events, and as well as Blue Scope, who sponsored us the transportation and also the refreshment. So throughout this event, I have come up a lot of thoughts, a lot of personal opinions in my mind. So please stay tuned. I would like to really love to share with you. But first, I need to have a bath because it's been a long day. It's been a sweaty day, and I have to finish my food right here. And yeah, see you later. So guys, it's time for me to share the thoughts that have been building in my mind, in my heart, that I wanted to share this message throughout the world. But I'll make it short as possible. Please bear with me throughout these 4 hours of experiences of picking up trash, which is my first time. I believe that everyone should bring their children, because it's quite a good exposure. It's kind of like educating trip for them as well. So parents, elders, please bring your younger sister, your brothers, your cousins to experience this beach cleanup, so that they had the knowledge like what kind of situation we are in, and they have the right to know, because they are the future, and we as elder has a responsibility to let them know so that they will take action. They have the knowledge in it, and they are being aware of it. And I believe that we all know, by picking up trash out of the beach, out of the ocean, is not really the way of solving the issues of plastic pollution. The main roots of the problem is that we humans have been manufacturing, have been using too much single-use plastic throughout the world. This doesn't mean that I don't support the organization in like doing beach cleanup. It's actually helping, it's reducing. I really do appreciate this kind of organization because it really plays a good part. They are not just reducing, but the most important part is that they are creating awareness. And I can't believe my eyes because all those non-biodegradable stuff like plastic, polystyrene, cigarette butts, it's everywhere. Look, have a look. It's unbelievable.
I need to ask a question. Who is below 30 years old? I work for Anwar Ibrahim. Our job is to ensure socio-economic justice. I've spent 8 years doing anti-corruption work and refugee work and disaster relief work. This means that there are things that you can do to build systems. So, what we have here in Malaysia is a situation where climate change is not top of the priority. Because when climate change hits us, the poorest will suffer the most. So we have to do something much more, and members of parliament are being trained at the moment to try to deal with this matter. There's a bigger problem. And the bigger problem, if as though the first two is not enough, is that human beings are selfish. Worse than that, we are greedy. Worse than that, we don't care. We're apathetic. So the selfishness, the greed, and the apathy of the human beings underpin the problems of the global capitalist and economic systems that we have today, and also explains why there's so few of us right now. We talk a lot about climate change, but what we really need is systems change. Wait! Look over there! The sun is red! Mother Earth is crying! Mother Earth is crying!
So we have come to the very end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please, climate change is real. Please take it very seriously. I know it's a lonely fight. I know it's a long journey. It's never-ending fight. We cannot win this right now, but I understand the power of passion. In order to solve this kind of issue, we need talented people, we need intelligent people, we need smart people. So please educate yourself. If you want to be a lawyer, be the best. If you want to be an engineer, be the best in the room. You know, when you reach that level, when you have the priorities, you have the power, it's time to take the action. So please, keep the passion in you. Let's do this together. Peace!